Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make PUBG intro on Filmora X. So let's start the video. For more cool tutorial, please subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. Open PixelLab and follow me.
I've been up for 3 nights. My eyes are bloodshot red. Damn, I wanna see the sunshine. It's getting to my head. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. My siblings are perfect and I wish I were the same. Making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite. Watch me burn my whole house down, not feel a thing. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away at midnight. I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom.
Well, this is what happens when I'm out of my
Medicine, there's collateral damage, I gotta go.
I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe you should pull the alarm, so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom.
I'm barely breathing, trapped in this feeling. I wake up screaming your name, but I'm only dreaming. Your shadow's fading. I don't know why. I'm trying to fight. Tell myself what I should know. You run away, feel safe, but I simply can't let you go. Can't let you go.
So open Filmora and import your file. I already import my file. Drag your music into timeline. Add a marker in 1 second 4 number frame. Press M for marker. Now again add marker in 4 second 5 number frame. Now go to sample colors and add black color into timeline. Now add golden color background above black color. And finally add your logo which was made at PixelLab. Now lock logo and black color. Double click on golden background. Go animation and go customize. Now adjust your golden background like this. Now go to first marker and adjust golden background like this. Now go to second marker and add a keyframe by click this add button. Now go to last marker and adjust golden background like this. Render frame for smooth playback and check preview. As you can see, our effect is done, so let's export our final project. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial.